How to manage who can comment on your public posts on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Facebook, this is the home page, go to the top corner, click here. Now click on settings and privacy. After you click on settings on privacy, now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Click again here on settings, click here on public posts and go to public posts comments. Click here and now choose what friends or friend of friends or public. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.